Good morning, children. This is N. Sharada, working as Social Studies ERT at KGBV Srisilla, Urban. Children, today we are going to learn our 8th class Social Studies 3rd lesson, that is Earth, Moments and Seasons. Children, in this lesson the main contents are changing seasons, 6 seasons, factors affect the seasons, curvature of the earth rotation on its axis, earth tilt and revolution around the sun, and temperature belts on the earth. Children, today we are discuss about the changing seasons and 6 seasons. Okay, children? Children, we know that the only planet in our solar system that supports lives is Earth. That is due to the presence of water and atmosphere. Human beings being living along with large community of plants and animals, we can observe constant change in our surroundings in the course of the year. The flowering and fruiting of trees and plants, changing in animal activities, etc. As months pass by, you would notice that trees shed leaves stand where new shoot came from, leaf grown again, they flower and give fruits. You may also notice that in different times of the year we get different kinds of vegetables and fruits. In some months it is very hot and in some it is cold or wet. Children, in most of the Indian subcontinent witness broadly divided into 3 seasons, that there are summer, monsoon and winter season. The far south like Tamil Nadu or Kerala or Andamans does not experience much cold during the winter season. Likewise, the summer season is very brief in the northeast states. The most of the North India, however, witness all the 3 seasons with warm summers, cold winter and rainy in monsoon season. Our ancient Sanskrit literature divides the year into 6 seasons, adding an intermediate seasons between each of the 3 main seasons. These are called Ritus. The 6 Ritus are Vasanta, we know that spring season, Grishma is know that the summer season, Varsha Ritu, we know that monsoon season, Sharad, we know the autumn season, Hemanta, it's called pre-winter season, and Shishira is called winter season. Each season is associated with certain agriculture operations and festivals. Vasanta marks the end of cold winter with flowering of trees, and it's also harvesting time for winter crops. A number of communities in India welcome their new year during these seasons and celebrate it with festivals such as Vasanta Panchami, Holi, Ugadi, Gudi Padwa, etc. Grishma is the time when it is the hottest in most part of India. Varsha Ritu marks the beginning of rains and agriculture operation in most part of India. During Sharad is sky become clear and the monsoon crop ripen. During this season, festivals like Deepavali are celebrated. In this season followed by Hemanta, which is another pleasant time across the country. Next is Shishira, is called winter season, which is coldest period of the year. Himalaya regions received snowfall during this time. A number of crop harvesting festivals such as Lohari, Pongal, and Makara Sankranti are celebrated at the end of this section. Children, subpolar and temperate region of the world typically experience four seasons of summer, spring, autumn, and winter. Children, you observe carefully in this picture. In the first picture, you can see that the tree and its surroundings are covered by snow, a kind of soft ice. In the third picture, you can see the same tree sprouting leaves. There is no snow. Okay, children. In the second picture, the same tree has fully grown leaves. In the last picture, red leaves are falling from the same tree. Children, do you know why these changes happen? Yes, that's right. These are due to different seasons. Children, have you have you ever seen your surroundings covered by snow? You may have seen it flooded by water during rains, but never snow. Some part of the earth gets cold during some months that we get snowfall instead. Above this picture, above this picture is taken in Lancaster in US. It's snow heavily in northern countries during winter. In summer months, it is not so cold but still much cooler than in our state. However, funny thing that is those countries, the day in is much longer in summer, so much so the you can see the sun even at midnight also. We saw the sun in midnight also. That means 24 hours the sun is appear in the sky. Children, can you find the name of the country? Yes, that is land of midnight sun. That country name is Norway. Good children. And children, you look at the Australia, South Africa and Chile from South America on the globe. These are also called countries of southern continents. That is continents that are located to the south of equator. In these countries, cycle of seasons indifferent. You have they have winter when we have summer, and when we have winter they have summer. In fact, this is pattern in all the places of the south of equator. Children, you are not only the one with such questions. For thousands of years, human beings have been curious about these matters and over time have worked out the answers. Let us try to understand why seasons changes, why are some part of the earth warm and some cold, and why are the seasons opposite in the northern and southern hemispheres. Okay, children. Today's evaluation of these topics. What are the changes you can see in the tree? Second one, you can describe the changes that happen in each season, how hot it's. Children, we will meet again. Thank you.